welcome everybody back to Milo's new adventure, guys. We're out here at the boat ramp today. We just got here and it's all breaking loose, guys. We got this guy here and the bass boat over here. We got the old sheriff boat over here. You know, they just put it in a minute ago. I just got here just a couple of seconds ago, so they're kind of getting it together over there too. Kind of looks like the lady that was out here last time. She drove the boat pretty good. She wanted to know what I was doing, but she did drive the boat really good. If it's the same lady, you know. But anyway, they're pretty busy today. Parking lot's full. This guy here, I guess he just got out. Okay. Little bass boat there. Trying to get it going up there. We just arrived just a couple of minutes ago, guys, so hang loose. We'll see what happens here. Check this big boat out, guys. Sliding out of there. Ah. I hope it's not too dark, guys. Well, I hope everybody's doing good out there. We got like what, 2.5, 3 weeks to Christmas, guys, so oh yeah. Hope everybody's about ready for that. Whether it's ready to be over or ready to be done, or bass boat made it. Okay. Yeah. Cool. That's a nice boat. Big boat. Hey guys, have fun out there.
All right, thanks.
You got a nice boat.
Appreciate it.
I like it.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice boat. You see how it's got the sliding glass doors there and stuff? Wow. Close it off and stay the night out there. Man, oh man. That'd be a lot of fun. Sure would. All right, he's on out of here. Bye. Bye-bye. Look at the parking lot out there, guys. Completely full.
We're gonna fix it here next week.
Trying to get it on out with the bass boat. Oh yeah.
Well, I've got news for you. I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, Christmas is right here.
Yeah. Get out of here. Bye-bye. get it figured out, dude. Oh, there's an airboat going by on the river out there. Boy, this water's high, guys. Wow. Cool. He's out there. Oh yeah. They had a fishing tournament, guys. It's all gonna break loose here before long. It kind of looks like that, but I'm not sure. Hey man, was there a fishing tournament today?
I'm sorry?
Was there a tournament
I
today?
think there's a tournament. I'm not fishing. But I think there's one.
Oh, okay.
Up here this morning.
I didn't know. That's like the one over in Mount Dora. That guy that comes in over there. That's a nice boat. The guy with the clean boat. Sorry, guys. Freedom! Yeah, you probably better get when the getting's good. Yeah. Okay, fast boat. Trying to get on there. Yeah. I guess the sheriff's being the ramp hog today, I guess. Guys on.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out
Just
to
about got that
play.
in there.
Santa Claus is packing the presents,
Yeah.
making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snow show for everybody. Every time that lasts enough.
Gave me the old thumbs up. I gave him a thumbs back. And he's out of here, I think. That's something like that one over there at Mount Dora. High sides on it like that. That's a pretty nice boat. Boy, that one fisherman was telling me about how he had a couple, had an alligator come up to his bass boat, and he was right by the back of his motor and just picked his head up right out of the water and looked right in the boat where he was. Almost like he was going to climb in the boat or something. I thought that was pretty wild. Getting that bass boat out. Just went up there a minute ago. Yeah. Bye-bye. 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 That's a nice truck he's got there. Those tires and wow. It's a lot different getting in here. Wow. Yeah. Wow, I didn't know they had that out on this river. It looks like they got a tour boat that goes up the river here. Maybe out of Pontoon Island over there. I just seen them go up the river over there.